Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to clean desktop in Windows 11. Keeping the desktop clean gets really hard sometimes when you have a lot of things on your desktop and a lot of files. So what you can do to make your desktop looks clean is you have to do a right click on your screen, then you have to click on view and select this last option, which is show desktop icons. As you click onto it, this option will get disabled and all the icons from your screen will get disabled. If you want it, you just have to simply search for it. The other thing is that you have to go to the settings of taskbar, and if you see anything is turned on that is showing on your desktop, you have to simply turn it off. By doing that, any unnecessary icon will get removed. And now if you want to make your taskbar translucent, for that you have to go to the Microsoft Store. Search for it, it will open, and then you have to search for translucent TB, and there will be different apps. What you have to do is you have to go with the first one, click on get, and the installation will start. Meanwhile, you have to go to the browser and search for pixels. You will get this first link, click onto it. This is a website that gets you the HD and the highest quality backgrounds, all wallpapers. There you have to search for Windows background or Windows wallpaper. You can search for anything, or you can also search for any specific thing that you want to be on your Windows screen. It could be a car, animal, whatever you like. Simply search for it. You will get different results from there. Whatever you like the most, whatever you think will look the best, you have to do a right click onto it. Then you will get the option for the download. Simply download it and then simply get back. Now we have this one enabled. Simply click onto it, and once this translucent TB gets open, then we will be able to make our taskbar look semi-translucent. And once you enable it, you will see it gets semi-translucent. And now you have to simply go to the personalization, and therein you have to go to the background and simply upload the image that we just have downloaded. We will set it as our background. If you want any other image, you can do it. By all these small things, the desktop will look clean. So that's how you will be able to make your desktop look clean in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching the video.